Hi children, let's hear the story of th sound today. Th means th. So get ready with me. Matthew and Nathan have gone to the circus. The ringmaster opens the circus and introduces the acts. First, there is a juggler throwing 3 rings high into the air. Then, 2 naughty clowns throw water at the ringmaster, who tells them off. One clown, a thin fellow, is rather rude. He sticks his tongue out at the ringmaster, but only a little way. He goes. The other clown, who is much bigger, is very rude. He sticks his tongue right out. He goes. Then the clown chase one another and tickle each other with feathers. Everyone laughs at them. Hi children, welcome back to another video. Let's point out the t and h makes the sound the. T and h makes the sound th. The, th. The is this. The at that. The n then. Fa the father. Thumb. In thin. Three. Moth. Cloth. Moth. Thin man. Three buttons. Let's write th. Starting from the top. Standing line, take a curve. Sleeping line, t. Standing line, go up, don't lift pencil, take a curve. Th. The. I hope you all have enjoyed.
The letters t and h go together and make 2 sounds, th and th, th and th. Here is the song for th and th.
Did you ever hear a rude clown make this this sound and that sound. Did you ever hear a rude clown say the?
Let's look at some words for th. 3. E 3. Bath. B a th. Bath. Tooth. T oo th. Tooth. Thin. Thin. This has been the.
Okay, class, we're going to form TH says V. We know how to make a T, we know how to make an H. Let's put it together to make this digraph. T H says V. Let's try this together. T H says V. T H says V. T H says V. Trace that with your fingers. T H says V. T H says V. T H says V. Let's go ahead and trace TH says V next to the house. Try another one on your own. Try making one in the smaller house. Trace the TH. Go ahead and make a few more on your own. Pick your favorite one to show me. We've just formed the letters TH, which is a digraph that says V.
And welcome to Little Learners. In today's video we are going to be looking at this digraph, which sometimes sounds like V and sometimes sounds like F. Don't forget to subscribe to Little Learners so you see lots more videos like this. Let's start off by thinking about this digraph when it sounds like V. V. Ah. T. That. Let's sound that out again. V. Ah. T. That. Let's move on to the next word. V. Them. Shall we try that again? V. Them. Let's move on to the next word. This. Let's sound that out one more time. This. Now let's take a look at this digraph when it sounds like Can you make the sound? Let's take a look at some words that have in them. O. Moth. Let's try that again. O. Moth. Shall we move on to another word? I. K. Think. Let's sound that out one more time. I. K. Think. Can you think of another word? S. O. O. Sloth. Let's try that one more time. S. O. O. Sloth. Good job, everyone. So that concludes our digraph